Welcome to online exam demo video. This video would help you to understand how to appear for an online exam. Please read all the instructions carefully and watch this video completely to understand how to appear for an online exam. Exam consists of objective and subjective questions. Examination link and login credentials will be shared with you prior to the examination via email. Email and phone number shared by you to the school will be used for communication. You can directly enter credentials and log in to start online exam as per exam schedule. System requirement for online exam. Personal laptop or desktop computer in working condition with good quality camera. You can use either Windows PC or Mac. Internet connection of at least 1 Mbps. Latest Google Chrome internet browser, pre-installed. Please download and be ready. If you are a Mac user, please note following additional instructions. Download Google Chrome.dmg file. Install this application by double-clicking on it. After installation, move Google Chrome to the application folder. Instructions for web camera. Please test your webcam here. Kindly test this link in Google Chrome browser only. Light should be good enough in the room where candidate is appearing the exam. There should be sufficient light on the candidate face to make it visible to camera. Webcam quality should be good. Candidate can check with above share link in point number 1. Important instructions for online test. Test your computer or laptop, which you intend to use for taking entrance exam, before the exam to ensure that it is working well, processing speed is good, and the camera and microphone are working perfectly. Note, you may not be able to appear for the exam if web camera attached with your system is not functional. Do not use the Alt tab, mouse or any other device to shift from the test screen to any other screen, or do not try to open any other application while attempting the test. Doing so may result in discontinuation of the test and it will be considered as null and void. Candidates are requested to disable antivirus updates / Windows updates etc. before the test because the system will treat this as an alert warning. If any candidate appears for the test through mobile, any phone calls or any other notifications during the test will consider as a warning alert. Avoid giving test on mobile. If candidate is using a mobile hotspot, in Apple MacBook iPhones are synced, so you got a call on the laptop too. So in this case system will show a warning alert and maybe your exam got suspended and the message will be shown your exam is suspended due to malpractice. If candidates have had to discontinue the test for whatever reason, they are requested to re-log in within stipulated time by using the same login credentials. Candidates can resume the test where they have left, as all the previous details will be saved in the system automatically. Now let's see demo of online exam system.
You will be provided with a username and password. You need to enter that username and password and enter the characters shown and click on login button in order to proceed for the online exam. As soon as you click on login button, you can see the name of the exam, schedule associated with the exam, start date and time, end date and time, and your time zone. You can click on proceed button in order to proceed ahead, where you will be shown your roll number, your name. You need to confirm your name and click on I agree checkbox and click on confirm button as shown. So system will ask you to allow access to your camera. You need to click on allow. As soon as you click on allow button, you will be redirected towards next step. So here you can see the exam instructions in the detail. So you can read all the exam instructions which are already mentioned over here. And then you can click on the checkbox, I have read and understood the instructions. And you can click on I am ready to begin in order to start your online exam. As soon as you click on that button, your online exam will get started. On the right hand top corner, you can see the exam timer. You need to keep track on this timer as soon as your timer get elapsed, your online exam will be submitted automatically. You can see the question number and text associated with the question, and if it is multiple choice question, then you can see the options. you can click on any one of the options, and then you can click on save and next to proceed ahead with the next question. There is a facility available to mark particular question for the review purpose, so that you can later point of time you can attempt it. So there is a specific color codes provided based on the your attempt associated with the questions. Attempted questions will be shown in the green color, not attempted questions will be shown in the gray color. Attempted and mark for review will be shown in the blue color, not attempted and mark for review will be shown in the purple color. So you can attempt any question and click on save and next. If there is an image associated with the question, you can click on that image to uh, enlarge the image associated with it, and you can keep on attempting questions as shown. If there is a subjective question available, then there is a text area provided where you can type your answer over here. So even if you want to use your mathematical symbols, there is a special control that has been provided which will enable you to enter any mathematical symbols as shown. So I have just typed square root symbol over here. So same way, if you want to type any chemical symbol like H2O or any other aspect, then all those facilities have been provided over here, which you can use in order to define your uh, text associated with particular question. Even there is a facility to draw the table. So here you can draw the table, you can add a text within the table, and your answer will get automatically saved. And if you have specific copy to be uploaded, if you want to upload any particular scan copy, then upload scan answer file, that control has been provided. You can click on it to upload any specific image associated with the question. If you try to move away from exam window and try to open any other window, then you warning message will be shown like, please do not switch windows while test is in progress. Doing so multiple times will terminate the test and you will not be able to get back to it. So you need to ensure that while attempting the online exam, you should not open any other window or any other application while attempting the online exam. Your online exam is monitored remotely by the remote proctor, and your photographs will be taken on a continuous basis by the remote system using web camera attached to the system. So you need to ensure that while attempting the online exam, you are not taking help of any books, notebooks, calculators, or you are not talking with someone while attempting the online exam. If it is found that you are taking help of some of the external means while attempting the online exam, then your online exam might be suspended or it might be marked as null and void. So you need to ensure that you attempt online exam independently and with a proper authentication mechanism, and you are not allowed to take help from the any external means. Now you can also click on save and next to proceed ahead with the next question. If you click on previous button, you will be redirected to the previous question where you can see your saved answer over here. So I can keep on attempting all the questions as per my preference. As soon as you reach to the last question, you can see the submit test button available. If you click on submit test button, then you will be shown summary associated with your test. Attempted questions or not attempted question or attempted and mark for you will be shown. So if you have not attempted all the questions, then please do not click on yes button. Otherwise, your exam will be marked as complete and you will not be able to re-attempt any questions. So if you have not attempted all the questions, you can click on and continue your attempting questions related to online exam. As soon as you click on yes button, your online exam will be marked as complete and summary will be shown to you.
Best of luck for your online exam.